All right, suppose there's a consumer named Jackie, and she has some additional money to to spend, and she can spend it on one of two goods, at least one of two goods. She can buy either some baking soda or some vinegar. And wherever she is right now, however much she's been consuming, right now, the price of baking soda is $3 per unit, and she can get a marginal utility of 12 utils from consuming an extra unit of baking soda. Whereas with vinegar, vinegar costs $5, whereas her marginal utility is 15 utils per unit of baking per unit of vinegar that she buys. Okay, and so using this information, we can actually figure out, given that she wants to maximize her utility, uh, what she would buy next, right? So what she should spend her money on now, assuming she has diminishing marginal utility, right? So the trick to doing this is to calculate the marginal utilities per dollar between the two goods and compare them, right? So you do this, you just take the marginal utility for a good and divide it by its price, and that essentially tells you how much marginal utility a person is getting per dollar that they spend when they buy that good, right? So with baking soda, the marginal utility of 12 divided by $3, that means that she's essentially getting 4 utils per dollar by buying another unit of baking soda, right? So it's four utils per dollar. And in contrast with vinegar, you take the marginal utility of the vinegar, 15, and divide it by the price of 5. That means we have 15 over 5, which is 3 utils per dollar if she buys a unit of baking soda, right? So clearly, she gets a better deal in terms of utils per dollar when she spends her dollars, her money, on baking soda, right? She gets 4 utils per dollar rather than 3 utils per dollar by buying the baking soda rather than the vinegar, right? And so we know that, assuming she can buy one, either or, that she should buy an additional unit of baking soda, right, rather than the vinegar. All right, as always, thank you for watching.